I'm back for a few minutes here. As you can see, I finished the first letter in the scarf. We got a dash, dot, dash, dot. That spells out C. So the next step is to separate the first letter from the second letter, and for that I'm going to knit 4 rows of the blue. And then after that I'll be starting a second letter, and I think the next time I come back will be when I finish Craig's first name, to talk about the spacing between first name and last name. Now, just to let you know, you don't have to put the person's full name in on both sides of the scarf. Some people prefer to have just their first name, or to have their first name on one end and their last name on the other end. And actually, if a person has more than 10 letters in their name, it's kind of hard to do both first and last name on both ends. It would make the scarf just way too long. So I figure if it's more than 12 letters, then I split it up or just use the first name or last name. And that finishes the first 4 rows, and I'm going to stop the video now and take it up when I finish the Craig's first name. See you then.